What you doing, Lazy May?
Playing in cakes and candies.
Right yeah, what do you think about a channel that's all about cooking and go get a whole load of cakes and stuff?
Yeah, but there's only one that thing.
Yeah, this all goes to the piggies. Yeah, we went today, got to go today and get another load of pig feed.
And now we got to unload this whole thing.
Yeah, and as you can tell, it's getting over in the evening time I got back and got everything else done. So, but it'll be okay.
Yeah, if we don't get it done tonight, it'll be waiting on us in the morning.
Yeah, that's doggone sure. It won't go nowhere by itself. But we always try to put all these sweet cakes back here to the back because for some reason it seems like they always want to get wet or something, and then they're hard to get out.
Show shaky something and I can't find them.
Oh no.
Yep.
Alrighty, y'all, looky. We got her all off of that one into this one. So it's another day done, and look what the night looks like. And I'm telling you, it is just so pretty out here tonight. I mean, it's just the right temperature to be out here doing stuff.
I'm sorry. I want you to know we had bread stuck up in the corner while the bed was raised. And we usually throw bread at it to get it knocked loose. So Glenn takes off to go up there and raise it up more, do something at the front of the trailer, and I throwed it. When I did, I was like, why ain't it hit? Why ain't it hit? And I heard, thump. Guess who I hit?
Your days are coming.
I hit him in the back of the head.
You wait till you're over.
Didn't even know.
Wait till you're over fixing some more chocolate stuff. I'm going to stick it right in your face.
Well, I didn't know where he was at. I couldn't see him, and I was aiming at the corner up in there, and it did. It just went straight over.
Right down in the back of my head.
Clocked him in the back of the head. Alrighty, we just thought we'd share with you because it was pretty funny to me.
She thinks it's funny. It wasn't too funny to me.
Alrighty, guys. We'll bring you back in a few minutes. Shaky, looky, Boston cream pie, tasty cake, honey buns. We got a whole bunch of them. And they expired. Hey, this one expired yesterday. 10/31.
Well, them pigs can't read though.
No, they sure can't.
But yeah, I was just telling them how pretty of a night it was. I done showed that.
It is. Look, just show them the cakes.
Well, I don't know.
Look at all the cakes.
Yeah, the cakes goes.
And these are a pain in the
plumb
butt,
up to there.
ain't they? Look
they
over here. Look at all this.
Only the bad part now is I got to move all of this tomorrow so I can get to the baby guineas to feed them, and I got to get their outdoor cage fixed because they're ready to go outside, I do believe.
Yep, we got to go get hay tomorrow.
Yep.
So maybe after we get the hay and stuff done tomorrow, because we got a lot of stuff we got to do.
Yeah, I'm running behind.
But now we need to get this moved up. As you can tell, it's all empty. You showing us empty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see the light so I can see how to let this front of this trailer back down.
We got company.
We do?
Yeah.
Run them off. We don't need none.
It's all our farmer Roxy out here with us. Do you need me to hold the light?
I think I got there.
Okay, 'cause I can't see
Well, here.
Where do you want me to point it? Right there?
Yeah. I tell you what, people, this is one of the best. Yeah, but it's a whole lot better than getting up there walking back and forth, carrying it in the back door.
Dump it.
Yeah, it might be some farmers give you that offer. They say just bring it on over here and dump it.
Yeah. Oh, look
Yeah,
you.
I want to fix me a building a little later, but it'll have to be closed in because all the other animals wants to get in it.
Yep.
But alrighty, people, I'm give out. I'm gonna finish this up here and get this stuff moved around and that door shut up and everything.
We just always wanted to show you sometimes it ain't a
daylight
job. Yeah, sometimes it runs well into the dark.
Now let's go down here a minute. We'll step down here and see if the goofballs are around.
They were still on the tree when I come down.
Yeah, they've been playing. They two of them been on that tree out there today. And they've had me scared because they was up on there, one going one way, one the other, headbutting each other. I mean, 6, 7 feet off of the ground.
Oh, look at the eye shine.
Uh-huh.
It ain't deer.
Nope.
Here I go. What y'all doing?
They wonder what you're doing.
Where'd they go? They just been out here in the dark.
There, some's over yonder in the house, some's way over yonder.
Y'all want some bread?
Say not tonight, we done had ours. But people, they ain't gonna come on up here, so.
They shy. We ain't out here at 9, 10 o'clock at night unless something's going on.
Well, usually when I'm out here, I ain't out here with the flashlight.
Yep.
What was it?
What? Don't tell me. What?
A cat or something going down the road.
Oh, okay. Gosh, you can see that far?
Yeah, don't you see them? Well, they just...
Hey, look. Show them little red.
You don't see them bright eyes over yonder?
I do not. All I see is the big light. Show them little red.
I showed them that yesterday.
But there's little red. Red, now you know who we named you after. The little kitten. Say, ain't I pretty? Say, look at that face. Say, I'm getting to where I'll let you get closer and closer. Say, but I ain't used to bright lights either.
Alrighty, people.
We'll get
Let's
her
call her a night and get in the house.
Yep.
So thank y'all for hanging in here with us.
Thank you for coming and hanging out with us.
Yes.
We appreciate you.
But y'all have a good night and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.